Alright, as you know, I don't have any studios in my home or in my area. I don't have so many places where I can make videos on a regular basis. That's why in the morning I try to come in this kind of places and I try to inspire my brothers and sisters, because I strongly believe that we all together can do something better. Look at me, how crazy I am for learning English. It's morning time and it's 6 a.m. and I am here. So some people are taking morning walk around this pond and maybe they are thinking how mad I am. It's morning time and what I'm doing here. Open my camera and I'm talking. Maybe it's not something usual for them. It's unusual thing for them. But it's very usual thing for me. It's common thing for me. As in my city, I don't have so many places. So that's why I try to come here and there and I try to share my ideas with my brothers and sisters. This is the very place where I have already made more than 50 videos, but still I am to make video in this place. And this is one of my favorite places where, I mean, this place is not far away from my home. Just it just take 5 minutes if I want to come here. So it doesn't matter where you are, or it doesn't matter how much time or how much money do you have, but the thing that you have is your brain. And if you can make sure that you are using your brain at your best, then something great will happen to you. Okay, I'm making this video just to inspire my brothers and sisters. I want to tell you that if you can use your brain, or if you have something in your brain, then everything is possible. So you have to come from your own position, and after that you will see things are changing and you are also improving. I'm so crazy for learning English. I'm so passionate about it. That's why I try to make video. I try to inspire my brothers and sisters. Okay, so this is the thing. You also need to do the same thing in order to improve yourself. Yeah, so just have a look at the environment around me. This is the pond, which looks so beautiful at this moment, and some people are taking morning walk. And from here I can see some people are washing their clothes over there, and also some people are taking bath in this early morning. So really good environment here. And also there are so many people, so sometimes I feel shy when I make video in front of people, and I also face lots of problems when I make video in front of people and in this kind of places. But I don't let it stop me. I always try to work, I always try to learn, and I always try to implement whatever I know or whatever I learned in my previous days. So this is the thing. And yeah, that's the thing. As you can see, there is a woman who is trying to work in this early morning, and it's really a great way to start your day. I mean, if you come outside, take morning fresh air. And do you want to know the best time for practicing English? I can tell you without any doubt. I can tell you that morning is the best time, because in the morning our energy is high, we have fewer distraction, and we can enjoy the beautiful objects of nature in the early morning. So it can be the best time for practicing your English. So if you are so willing to learn English, if you are eager to learn English, then you can make sure, or you can use your morning time for practicing your English and also for developing yourself. I always try to. Okay, just a minute. What's wrong with it? Well, I'm really sorry because my video was stopped. Actually, I was using my gimbal in order to record that video, but now it's out of charge. That's why I could not accomplish that video. So right now I'm holding my phone with my right hand, and again I'm trying to speak. So the thing that I want to tell you is, it doesn't matter where you are, it doesn't matter where you are making videos, but if you can use your brain, or if you can share your own ideas with people, then something great will happen. So try to work on yourself, try to work for your dreams and visions, and only then you will be able to achieve your dreams. And we all want to achieve so many wonderful things in our life, but we all are not working in a right way. So we have to find out what will be the right direction, or what will be the best way for doing and making all these things. So you need to find out your path, your own path, and then try to follow that path in order to for your progress, in order to improve yourself. So work for your dreams, work for your visions, and try to achieve so many wonderful things in your life. And I strongly believe that we all together can do something better. It doesn't matter whether you are learning English or whether you are developing any other new skills. but you have to make a consistency. Consistency is so important in order to learn anything, any other new language or any other new skills. So this is the thing. As you can see, there are so many people, but you don't need to worry too much about them, because people are everywhere. But the only thing that you can do is keep speaking and keep working for your dreams and for your visions. That is the only thing that will make you a better one. If you want to be a special one, then you have to do all these things. You have to overcome your fears, overcome your mistakes, and don't ever try to procrastinate with yourself. Because if you procrastinate with yourself, if you procrastinate for your dreams, then you won't see your improvement. So if you want to see your improvement, if you want to see your better position, then you have to have a strong mindset. You have to create a strong mentality for doing hard work, and then maybe something great will happen. And I strongly believe that if we can work from our own position, then great things are always waiting for us. We can achieve anything, whatever we want to achieve in our life. So this has been my video's point. Thank you so much for watching this video, although I could not accomplish this video on an attempt, but this is my second attempt, so I hope this time I'm going to finish it. As you can see, I have my own gimbal, which I always use in order to record my videos, but unfortunately now it is out of charge, so I have to include it with the charger after going home, and I will do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next time. Till then, have a great day to all of you. Always be passionate about learning English. Always try to keep learning and keep focusing on your dreams, and believe in yourself.